Curb appeal is a vital aspect of homeownership, especially in the picturesque community of Palmetto Bay, Florida. Nestled amid lush greenery and offering a charming mix of suburban tranquility and coastal vibes, homes in this area deserve to look their best. One of the most impactful ways to elevate your home's curb appeal is through professional window installation. Here's how upgrading your windows can enhance the aesthetic and value of your Palmetto Bay home. Elevating exterior aesthetics. Windows are more than just functional, they're an integral part of a home's architectural design. The right windows can harmonize with your home's style, creating a seamless and polished look. Modern homes. Sleek, large picture windows with clean lines can complement modern designs, letting in ample light and offering stunning views of the surroundings. Traditional homes. Casement or double-hung windows with detailed frames and grids can preserve the charm of more traditional architecture. Customizable options in color, frame materials, and finishes allow homeowners to select windows that perfectly match their home's facade, enhancing its visual appeal. Enhancing natural light and view. Palmetto Bay is known for its beautiful landscapes, including tropical vegetation and coastal scenery. Installing new windows, especially larger ones or those with minimalistic frames, can bring these picturesque surroundings into focus. By maximizing natural light and offering expansive views, modern window installations create a more inviting and vibrant appearance for your home, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Enhanced visibility and sunlight don't just beautify your home's interior, they also cast a radiant glow that enhances your home's exterior allure. Boosting energy efficiency and sustainability. In sunny Palmetto Bay, energy efficiency is as essential as aesthetics. Modern window installations incorporate advanced technologies like low-E coatings, double or triple glazing, and insulated frames that improve thermal performance. Here's how energy-efficient windows enhance curb appeal. Stylish frames. Today's energy-efficient windows come with sleek, high-quality frames that resist warping and fading. Comfortable living spaces. A more tempered indoor environment can improve the overall perception of your home's value. Green appeal. Homes with sustainable upgrades resonate with eco-conscious buyers, making energy-efficient windows a selling point. Increasing property value. Curb appeal isn't just about making your home look good, it's about increasing its market value. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with updated, high-quality windows because they recognize the long-term benefits: reduced energy costs, minimal maintenance, and improved aesthetics. Even if you're not planning to sell, investing in new windows can yield a significant return on investment. A beautiful, well-maintained exterior sets the tone for what's inside and reflects positively on your home's overall worth. Providing a customizable upgrade. Window installation isn't a one-size-fits-all process. Homeowners in Palmetto Bay have access to a wide range of customization options. Shape and size. From bay and bow windows to uniquely shaped accent windows, you can add character and individuality to your home. Decorative glass. Stained or frosted glass inserts can add an artistic touch to entryways or feature windows. Hardware finishes. Bronze, chrome, or brushed nickel finishes on window handles and locks contribute to a cohesive design aesthetic. Tailoring your window selection to your home's style ensures a look that's cohesive and personalized. Improving security and peace of mind. Enhanced security features in modern windows can also contribute to your home's curb appeal. Reinforced glass, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant options not only protect your home but also signal a commitment to quality and care. A home that looks secure is a home that looks valuable. Withstanding Florida's climate. Living in Palmetto Bay means dealing with Florida's unique climate challenges, from intense sun to hurricane season. Window installations designed to withstand UV exposure and high winds ensure that your home maintains its beauty and structural integrity. Hurricane-resistant windows are particularly valuable for coastal areas, offering peace of mind while contributing to the home's sleek and modern appearance. Conclusion. Window installation is a transformative upgrade that goes beyond function to significantly enhance the curb appeal of Palmetto Bay homes. From improving aesthetics and energy efficiency to increasing property value and showcasing the natural beauty of your surroundings, modern windows are a worthwhile investment. Whether you're refreshing your forever home or preparing to sell, new windows can create a lasting impression that reflects the charm and vibrancy of Palmetto Bay. Consult with local window installation experts to explore options that align with your style and elevate your home to its full potential.